Good evening, beautiful people. Welcome back to Mhariam's kitchen. Now, hear me out, guys. Recently, I've had a lot of messages saying, Billy, we're from the vegan community. How come you've been cooking so many dishes, but you've not done nothing for us? I felt a little bit heartfelt and I had to go out my way to do this, guys. Guess what? Today I'm cooking one of my favorite dishes, lentils 4-way. This dish is from heaven. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Welcome back to my kitchen. To cook this lentil 4 ways and make it really authentic, we are gonna need some simple ingredients, the spices and the lentils that I'm using today. Look what we have over here. We've got 4 different kinds of lentils over here. This is the green dal. Over here we've got some beautiful Moong Dal beans, some Chana Dal, and some Masoor, the red ones. These 4 I'm using. I've got some here, garlic, cloves. I am going to put in a little bit of twist to it. So I've got some cauliflower florets. I've got half an onion, some oil, some coriander, and the spices, the key ingredient. We got some salt, we got some garam masala, some turmeric, some crispy fried onion, and some zira seeds. Let me show you guys how this beautiful dish is put together. So the first stage, all the lentils must go into this dish. Give it a good mix. So first stage, my brothers and sisters, we must give it a little bit of a stir without putting any water, salt or anything in there, to make sure we break up the beans, break up the lentils. Get this beautiful aroma of dal over here. This is the stage now where we are going to add some water to it, roughly about 3 pints. You have to be very patient, guys. This is the early stage of cooking the lentils. It takes time for it to come together, but believe me, somebody actually asked me, said, Billy, what is your favorite dish? And hand on my heart, ever since I was a young kid, I always told them that lentil, dal, any kind of dal is my favorite by far. This is one of my favorite dishes of all time. It's a poor man's medicine. This has got so much vitamins in here, it can actually put your doctors out of business. Believe me, it's absolutely beautiful. After 10 minutes of it coming to a boil, we must add some salt and some spices. Garam masala, turmeric. You can see it already changing color over here, but it's not ready yet. After 15 minutes of it being boiled, bring it to a slow simmer and let it all come together now. The smell is already coming together, guys. Oh, I just love lentil. I don't know what it's about lentil. This poor man's medicine. Tarka dal, any kind of dal, has to be one of the best things anyone can ever eat. We've been cooking this for about maximum 15-20 minutes. I think it's gonna take about another 15-20 minutes. So to get this dal completely where you want it to get it to, it's gonna take roughly about 40 minutes to cook. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I am gonna be making more dishes over this period of our lockdown. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, doesn't matter, you still have to eat. Tarka is the fried onion and garlic you put in the lentils. The dish, tarka dal, so delicious. If you don't get this right, your lentils not gonna be right at all. So you chop the onions into fine little pieces. Make sure it's as small as this. Look how small this is. No big lumps. It has to be very, very thinly diced. What we're going to do now these beautiful florets of cauliflower. So when your cauliflower is nice and brown, like this, we're going to be putting it inside. This is why it's called the tarka dal. This is the tarka part. First, we get oil. Okay, put the oil inside this pan. So first, our beautiful cumin seed, can you see? All sizzling away there. Now we put the onion and the garlic inside. Make sure you give it a good stir. Oh, the smell of tarka is just absolutely amazing. Don't get impatient and put it in when it's not cooked properly. It's not going to taste right, so make sure it's nice and brown. When you get to this stage now, nice and brown, all of it like goes in. Can you hear that beautiful noise? Oh mate, get some of your dal, put it in there, and get the rest inside. Look at this, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Florets of cauliflower and the lentils 4 ways. I'm going to put a little bit of coriander right in the middle of the dish. And my favorite, as always, some beautiful crispy fried shallots. I'm telling you now, when I say that this has so much protein, it will actually put your doctors out of business. I'm not joking. And the taste is phenomenal. This is why I say it's my favorite dish of all time. I love it. I'm actually going to, usually I don't, on videos, but I'm too reluctant to try this and let you guys know what it's like. If you had the worst day of your life, things that are just on your mind and you're like really upset and you went out your way to make this dish, I can promise you, that's Billy's promise, that this will make you feel happy. It will make you feel good. It will make you feel strong. By far, this is one of the best dishes you can cook. This is a heaven for the vegans, the vegetarians. Even if you're a non-vegetarian, it's absolutely delicious. Protein for your children, protein for yourself. Go out your way, make this very simple. Tarka dal, any kind of dal, is always the way forward. I'm gonna actually finish this off now. Guys, you know I love you. You know I love you guys so much from my heart. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be making loads of these new vegetable dishes for you guys. I love you. Take care of yourself and peace out.